Han, this is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. Finally, after how many heartbreaking cancellation and postponement, it is our wedding day. Our wedding, or marriage rather, is a testimony of how the Lord works wonders. He is always true to His words. And here we are, kaslo na gyud ta.
Han, finally, after 10 long years, nga na gyud ta diri. Kanus alam man tong unang tang nakita sa medical. Nag-refer card patient sa kuha. O dito nag-start ang ato love story. I thank God for that day. Kay gihatag niya ang taong nakapagbago sa kuha into a better person.
Bro, at last, after all the changes sa schedule, this is the day na Crystal and you are getting married na. So, congratulations to both of you. Best wishes.
Today is another chapter of your life. Wish you that you will be happy with the girl that you've been dreaming of.
I hope, una sa tananday, kabalo ko sa imo nga kwan, hindi mo pag-awayon kaayo si Doy, ha? Ha?
Damo man sang trials, mga denials, sang aton mga plano sa una nga makahibi na lang taduha over video call. Mas nami gid gali kag mas the best gid ang plano sang Ginoo para sa aton nga
You remember how we kissed in the kitchen?
Nagkaila mi ni Menakem way back 2013. Pero 2012 pa lang, actually dili personal nga ipaila-ila. Murag nakuha niya akong number. Kay uso pa man gud sa una ang text-text lang, no. Nakuha niya akong number sa akong good friend tung college, which is si Doc Kentoy Florestan. Siya ang naghatag sa akong number sa iyahan.
So, nag-text-text ko siya, siguro 1 week, kaysa lang, pag wala ko hindi ko interest.
Then ako, out of respect lang po, for Kentoy, ako siyang gi-replyan. Naku, uy, magpakidapawon ba ako, maghatod kong patient sa inyong hospital. Then, ako, wala po ko nag-expect sa iyahan na muadto siya. Pero, wala naman good, off-duty na siya ba? Pero nibalik siya.
So, gabangan ako siya dito. Pag abot niya, pagbaba pa lang niya, nanak ko na-feel something, na-love at first sight ko sa iyaha.
Dito ko niya first nakitaan. Yan na siya, according sa iyaha, gigopahan daw siya sa kuha. Podong everyday na siya nag-text-text sa kuha.
Then pag-augma to, nagsunod-sunod ako text, hanto sa nakita nami. Yan, dito nagsugod tanan na nga mo ang love story.
So, I'm in love with you. What are we gonna do? So, I'm in love with you. What are we gonna do now? Make me feel loved and treasured. You are water in the desert. My fox, my missing puzzle piece. You make me feel loved, protected. Or we could talk forever on the couch, sipping bourbon, please. So, I'm in love with you.
Han, thank you sa tanan imuhang unconditional love sa kuha. Despite everything na itubo sa tuwa, ikapila na cancel ang wedding, nagyapon ka o wala na give up. Instead, mas naging strong pa ta sa tong faith kay Lord na nililigitan niya pasagdan.
I promise to support you and to put my trust and hope in you. I will submit to you and cooperate. I will continue to uplift you in prayer and to partner with you in this life as we follow the leading of our Lord Jesus Christ. May we always glorify the Lord on how we work as husband and wife. I love you, Idol.
We're an ocean, a gentle power that could never be contained. Moving softly, like the rain that falls and dances on the plains. And every word that I could find in the corners of my mind will never be enough to let you know. This love is the best thing I have found. Like a guardian bursting through the ground. Every hope brought to life. Every day I realize this love is the best thing I have found. You're the best thing I have found. Best thing, the best thing, the best thing I have found. Best thing, you're the best thing, you're the best thing I have found. You're the best thing, the best thing, you're the best thing I have found. This love.
So let us witness the first kiss of the groom to the bride during their ceremony.